All right, tribe, so that wraps up day 1 of week 2 of the hypertrophy block. As always, the full workouts in the description or in your email if you join the tribe. All right, this is where I share all of the programming. And always, if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments or through email. I'm always on my email constantly. If I'm not training or training anyone, I'm usually plugged in on the computer. You know how entrepreneurs do, right? So just want to give a quick little note that although I did program barbell front squats, the gym was packed and all the racks were busy, so instead I just reverted back to the dumbbell front squat. So I'm going to revert back to the original barbell front squat in the following week. So just wanted to give you that quick little note. And also, you'll notice that I just switched from equipment to equipment. That's just due to the fact that the gym was pretty busy today. And you know, with a structured program, you're able to do that because all you're doing is the same movements, but you're just migrating to a free equipment or set of tools that's available to you at that given time that you decide to train. So just keep that in mind, and yeah, no excuses, just get it done, all right? Let's get back to work.